Hi, this is Saita Mankar.
Hi, this is Priya Bapat,
And
you
you're
are
watching
watching
Bollywood
Bollywood Hangama.
You have this moment in the promo when with your husband as well. Do you feel that in a way are you trying to just maybe break the stereotype in a way as well that for a wife to remain attractive to her husband is important, and that there are certain things.
I'm not married.
So
in the
she
film.
is not married. I'm married.
She is married. In the
Okay,
film.
but I think you have
She has
I
a
have
boyfriend.
you have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I don't understand the language entirely, so
No,
I thought
it's
that
okay,
it is
it's
okay.
okay, it's okay.
But you have an intimate moment, I think.
Yes,
with
yes,
okay,
yes.
okay.
So I'm sorry, I didn't get your
Yeah,
question.
the idea was that do you feel that that a woman, what is more important for a woman, the personality or the charm, the way she talks, and apart from that how she looks, and what is more important for a man? What do you think that a man finds more attractive?
Okay, my opinion little differs from your question itself.
No,
that
please go ahead.
I
Whatever you
don't-
feel like.
I don't feel that any woman, any girl, or anybody for that matter, should do anything because others would like it. I would like to do something because I like it. If I want to look beautiful, if I feel that I need to have a zero figure, I will do it. I should not be doing it because my husband wants me to be like that.
Correct.
I think most of the women in India don't pay attention to themselves, and they dedicate their entire lives to their husbands, their kids, their
Families.
and
Families.
your parents and your in-laws and everyone. So these are just simple things. घर की औरत सबसे लास्ट खाना क्यों खाती है?
बिल्कुल सही बात.
Why? सबका खाना हो जाए, फिर रात को 10 बजेंगे, सबका जो बचा खुचा रहेगा मैं खा लूंगी. No. If you are making sure that your husband should eat on time, your kids should have food on time, then even you should eat on time. So we don't give priority to our health, especially women in India.
Correct.
Or maybe all over the world, I don't know, but
Right.
especially in India. So I don't think that anybody for that matter should do anything for somebody else. You should always do it for yourself first. And then if someone likes it, it's okay. If they don't like it, it's still okay because you have done it for yourself. So you have to find your own fitness, you have to find your own beauty.
Right.
If you are comfortable with your body, if you feel that I am beautiful the way I am, just be like that. Even if your husband wants you to lose weight, don't do it.
क्लैपिंग हो जाना चाहिए. इस बात तो क्लैपिंग हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, now Saita Mankar, you know, India is a land of Kama Sutra, and Indian women have always celebrated themselves in terms of we have many, say, if we go through the Kama Sutra, or even apart from that how a woman should look attractive, or like desirability factor. That's something which is, I think, has been historically important for Indian women per se. What is your opinion about this thing, that what all a woman should do in terms of to look desirable? As I asked her the question, थोड़ा सा मतलब मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था that a woman's physicality is definitely attractive, but even apart from that, the way she talks, the way she maybe the charming factor, or maybe the fact that you can be comfortable around her, maybe she's caring about the entire, those factors maybe are equally contributing in terms of her being desirable.
Absolutely.
So मेरा थोड़ा सा वहाँ पर वो था.
I
that's
think
what I tried
that's
to.
the first thing that should contribute to the making her desirable,
Exactly.
than her physique and her body.
Exactly, because like a very attractive woman, and if she's not say empathetic or compassionate, maybe she may be a bit of a put off as well if that is not there. So would you like to add something to that, considering that Saita Mankar is one of the finest, like say, male fantasies say in Maharashtra and India?
Well, I don't know.
Vikas Behel told me that I have a big crush on Saita Mankar during Hunter interview. Big crush. And Anurag Kashyap and they totally agreed with him. Ji, please.
No, but you are absolutely right.
Right.
I think like there's a saying, a woman can break or make the house. So we don't want women who break the house. We want women who make the house. So it depends. For me, people who talk with other people, I judge them from that. Hierarchy wise, आप कैसे बात करते हो? आप जब पहली बार किसी से मिलते हो, या आप होटल में जाके आप जब ऑर्डर देते हो तब आप वेटर के साथ कैसे बात करते हो, मेरा जजमेंट उस पे आता है. सो आई थिंक अ वुमन नीड्स टू बी
Respected.
respected, and I also think that it depends. People who see you or make judgments, it depends on your behavior, how you portray yourself in the society. And if that positioning is right, I think there is no fear or there's no insecurity.
Okay, now let me make my question more specific to both of you guys.
Okay.
आप लोग बहुत ही महान बातें कर रहे हैं. महान बातें कर रहे हैं. मुझे लग रहा है कि I can see a halo around your.
I don't think there is anything specific that needs.
Men like Indian men. They like watching fit women, but they fantasize voluptuous women.
Now, we're coming to that. We're coming to the point. Actually. Yes. So you're absolutely right. Actually.